Have you been struggling to figure out how much to charge for your handmade products? Pricing can be tricky. You want to cover your costs, pay yourself for time, and still make a profit without scaring off customers. And that's why I created the Crafty Cost Calculator. This simple tool I created to help you price your products quickly and accurately, and it takes the guesswork out of the process. So you can feel confident that your prices are fair, competitive, and profitable. I want to walk you through real quick how to use the Crafty Cost Calculator. The first time you open up your calculator, you are going to want to start at the Setup tab. And it doesn't matter if you're using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, it's going to be the same. You're going to enter in your currency, your retail markup, and you'll check the PDF to get some tips on retail markup, your sales tax or VAT, and your overhead percentage. After you have that all filled in, you are going to move over into the inventory tab. On the inventory tab, you have your total inventory value. You can add in a stock number, your product, your cost, how many you have in stock, and what the minimum you want in stock is. This status is going to autofill and you'll get a color code depending on your stock status. Next is the price calculator. On this page, you are going to go into the product setup. You're going to choose your hourly rate. And a tip I have on hourly rate is I never pay myself hourly less than what I would work for someone else for. So if I'm going to go work at, say, Target, I'm not paying myself less than what I would take that Target job for. Overhead is going to carry over from your setup page. You want to put in the quantity of the items you're making. So if you're making a t-shirt or some t-shirts, you're going to want to put that quantity here in the quantity row, and then a discount. And this is going to be a percentage. So you put whatever percent in or no percentages. Everything here is going to auto generate, as well as your cost markup and your cost distribution. You'll choose your materials from the drop down, and this drop down is directly linked to your inventory, the quantity you're using, and your price per unit and total value is going to auto generate. Then the labor activities, and then you'll put in how many minutes it takes to complete. If something takes you 2 hours to complete, you will put 120 minutes. So just minutes to complete. And then the other is going to be files that you may have purchased or other things that don't count as overhead and don't count as materials or labor. Those will be totaled at the bottom of each of these. And then up top, everything will be calculated for you. So you have your retail price to charge, your discount price, and your wholesale price. And all of these are based on all of the setup things that we did earlier. Your profits is going to show you how much you are making off of each item. And just so we're clear, these are for each item. And then how much it costs you to make each and your materials, labor, and other costs, which carry over from down here at the bottom. And that's how you use the Crafty Cost Calculator. It is going to allow you to price your crafts more accurately and in less time.